Decoding, presently, unraveling the mystery. Hello learners! Today, we're going to dive deep into an interesting English word, presently. This single word can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Confusing? Don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use presently correctly. Presently can be a tricky word for many because it carries two primary meanings. 1. In a short while, soon. Example, she'll be here presently. This means she will arrive soon. 2. At the current moment, now. Example, he is presently working on his assignment. This means he is currently working on it. Historically, presently was mostly used to mean soon. It was a way of expressing something that would happen in the near future. But, with the evolution of language, it also came to be used to describe something happening right now. 1. Context is key. Always pay attention to the context in which presently is used. This will help you understand if it refers to soon or now. 2. When in doubt, if you're unsure about which meaning to infer, try replacing presently with soon or now, and see which one makes more sense. 3. Usage in different regions. In some parts of the world, especially in British English, presently, meaning soon, is more common. However, in American English, both meanings are frequently used. A common mistake is using presently when a clearer word would do better. For instance, if you mean right now, it might be clearer to simply say currently to avoid any confusion. And that's a wrap on presently. We hope this breakdown has made the word clearer for you. Always remember, English, like all languages, is constantly evolving. Stay curious and keep learning.